camera.
Hi Lauren, are you touchy?
Yes. Very.
Kyoko, are you touchy?
She's so touchy. I'm so scared. Sorry. Is that video?
Kyoko, I have a question. Are you touchy?
Yes, I am.
Who's touchy?
I am. My knees.
I'm touching because I'm touchy.
Are you what did you say?
He's
I'm
touchy.
really touchy.
Okay.
He's a really touchy man.
Johnny,
Yeah.
are you touchy?
Yes. Can I touch you, Matsuka?
No, you can't touch me.
Can I lick you?
No, you can't lick me. Okay, this is it. I couldn't expect like that action from you,
I
Johnny.
expect like Donald Duck. He does.
Have everything.
Still in a home of fame.
Disgusting, Johnny. You can shake hand with Nash.
Excuse me.
Thanks.
Hi Ben. Are you touchy?
Depends on the day.
Today is touchy day.
Depends on the day. Monday, touchy day.
Tuesday,
Not really.
Especially Saturday night.
Wednesday is, Thursday is kind of touchy. Fridays,
It's so touchy.
Fridays are like,
So
Fridays
touchy.
are like,
How about Sunday?
Saturdays I'm really touchy. I'm like, oh.
What about what about Monday?
I said Monday. You mean Sunday?
Yeah.
Sunday's no touchy.
No touchy?
No
Sunday.
touchy Sundays.
No touchy Sundays.
No touchy Sundays.
That's sad.
Your touchy story.
My touchy story. On a Christmas day, I'm really touchy.
Wait, what do you like to touch, Kyoko?
I'm with Santa Claus.
This is word. Depends. Depends on the
But
people.
especially Santa Claus.
You like to touch them
Yeah.
in all the places.
I really like.
Ben, is your car unlocked?
Are you touchy?
No.
No.
She like me.